Hey guys, so today I thought I'd film because I am going into central London to meet up with Fern, who's coming from Essex. I haven't seen her in like 2 months, so we're going to, I think we're going to Hyde Park and then maybe Covent Garden, maybe some other places. I thought I'd take you along with me. I'm just wearing this little dress from Misguided today, which my mum had to fix yesterday because it's like a wraparound dress and it just didn't. It was a size 10 and it was like gaping down to my belly button, so my mum fixed it for me yesterday. That's it really. I'll see you soon. I'm with Fern now.
Hello!
You might recognise her from the American Sweets video we did. But we're in Hyde Park and we're by the lake.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. There's lots of deck chairs.
Very hot.
Very, very hot. I was sweating when I was waiting for you and I wasn't even moving.
Yeah,
it was a bit gross. But it's very pretty. London's very hot. Nice blue skies and a lake.
Very nice.
And we might go on a boat later.
Yeah, we will.
There's also swans.
It's very nice. We're going to have a very nice day ahead of us, aren't we? Very nice and exciting.
So we are now in a boat, as you can tell, because I can't walk on water and I don't think Fern can either. It's just like one of these little pedally ones, which is giving us a great little leg workout. And there's some weird pyramid at the end of the lake in Hyde Park and we don't know what it is, but it's all very pretty, the lake. There's lots of geese and
Lots of birds.
very pretty.
Paddle boat and now we're
Fern's decided to take the stairs in Covent Garden, which is not the best idea.
There are 193 steps. We've only got 142 steps to go.
So me and Fern have just been Harrods and bought ourselves some sushi, which we're going to share for lunch.
Lovely, I'm very excited.
We're both very hungry
I
as
know,
well.
oh, it's so
It
cute.
looks yummy. Hi Fern. So we're now in a little cafe called Eat by Chloe, which I think is all like veggie food, and we've just gone, is it vegan?
Vegan.
And we've gone for little cakes. I got raspberry tiramisu one, but I've already eaten the raspberry. Fern got chocolate one, and I also got an iced tea. And it's like dead cute in here. They have little like wicker chairs, some neons, some palm trees. Very cute. So, this is the outside of the little cafe we're in. It's called By Chloe, and yeah, it was just a little vegan place. But it's really yummy, and they look like they had some nice othery type food other than cake and stuff. So I would recommend.
Yeah,
Definitely recommend. I don't know why, but there's like painted Rolls Royces in Covent Garden. There's some nice little Union Jacks up here, and we're about to go into Urban Decay, which is over here. So me and Fern have ended up in a bookshop, as per English students, and Fern's decided she wants to learn about potty training. And we've sat ourselves down in the personal development and mind, body and spirit section, which is quite a lot of rubbish. And be happy.
Star signs and all sorts.
There's quite a lot of colourful books though.
They're quite cute.
Yeah, they're cute. Oh, I like books.
Suddenly got very busy.
Bye! There you go. Okay, I'll see you in 3 weeks. So I'm home now, been home for about an hour. I didn't film anything on the train because it was really busy, but I thought to end this vlog. When I arrived home, I had my August Birchbox, so I thought I'd just kind of show you what's in it. So Birchbox times Etsy, and it's in this really pretty box which is so cute. I haven't looked in it yet, so you'll be seeing for the first time with me. I see Rituals. If you've watched my other Birchbox video, you will know that I used to work for Rituals. Oh, it's not focusing on it, but I've never had the Happy Buddha shower foam before, so this is exciting. Oh, why is it not focusing? Hang on. Anyway, this is the Happy Buddha shower foam, which is sweet orange and cedarwood, which I've never had this one before, so that's exciting. I don't think I've ever had anything in this range, but I really like this range, so yay! Birchbox supplying me with my Rituals needs now that I don't work there. Also see this, which is sugar texturizing spray, and I had something by this brand number 4 last month, which I really loved, which was like a balm for your hair. So this is exciting. So I really enjoyed that last product. There is this, which is, oh my god, it's just not focusing. It hates me today. This, which says it's a long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint, a melting even lip powder by, is that CLE? I haven't heard of this before. I definitely haven't heard of that before, so that's cool. Kind of like a coppery orange. It's interesting. Then we have a little hand cream by the brand Focuses. I don't know why I'm reading it through the camera rather than by myself. From the brand Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood. Oh no, it's not a hand cream, it's a sleeping mask. That's cool. I'll probably use that this evening. Oh my god, it just doesn't want to focus on anything. Use 2-3 times a week, apply a thin layer, dry skin in more in the evening, allow the mask. Oh, exciting. I love a good sleeping mask. And then this is Dirty Little Secret. What is this? Fetch. Oh, this is whatever you get to pick every month one thing. So this is whatever that is. I forgot what it was. I feel like it's a lip colour. Oh no, it's an eye crayon in the colour Fetch, as I said before. It's exciting. I'm going to sneeze. Oh, sneezy. Anyway, that's a little Birchbox unboxing for you. Oh my god, the box is so pretty. But why is it by Etsy? Like, what is in here that's from Etsy? It's like when they did it by Kath Kidson, there was like a thing. 15% off the Etsy shops that created our August Birchbox. See the selected. Oh, so they designed the boxes. It is a very pretty box. I wonder if everyone got different boxes. Oh yeah, people got different boxes this month. So mine is by Lucy Says I Do, at Lucy Says I Do. Such a cute idea. Oh, I really like the one I got. Oh, the one I got's like my favourite out of all of those. Good choice, Birchbox. And then there's just the list of all the products. So that is exciting. Excited to try those out. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. Hope you liked seeing kind of the odd little bits me and Fern got up to in London today. It was really nice to see her. I haven't seen her in 2 months, which is mental because like I lived with her in uni and I'm living with her again next year, and we're going away together for 3 weeks. In 3 weeks as well. Yeah, we just like wandered around London. It was really nice. We went to Hyde Park, went on Pedalos as you saw, then we went to Harrods, then what did we do? Oh, then we went down to Covent Garden in that little cafe, Eat by Chloe, which was really nice. And we saw, I didn't go up to her because I don't like interrupting people when they're eating, I just think it's a bit rude, but we saw Grace Fit UK in there, which was kind of cool because I like saw her and I was like, you look familiar. And then I was like, oh my god, it's her, which was cool because I follow her, subscribe to her on here, and her videos are really good. So that was weird seeing like someone you see online in the flesh. But yeah, it was a good day. The train back home was very hot. I'm very warm now, but we're about to have dinner, so I'm going to go. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!